Hello friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove Google accounts on your Android phone, right? I'm currently using a Samsung phone at the moment, so I'm going to show you how. So you want to go into your settings. So go ahead and do a swipe up and this will take you into your apps. Now you will be able to find the settings somewhere in and around these different pages where you have a bunch of apps. Otherwise, if you're not able to locate it, just simple tap in the search field and you want to type in settings, right? You'll be able to see it there and you can open it. Now, once you open up settings, guys, you want to scroll down to where it says Google. You will find the Google there and you'll find the Google services. So you want to tap on that. From here, you will be able to see the account that you were signed in at the first option there at the top, which is your Google account that you're using for your phone. Now, you will see a button there below that says Manage Google Accounts. You don't want to tap on that, but you want to tap on the name that you currently have there and the email that is assigned. So once you tap in that, it will open up a bunch of different emails if you have more than one, or it will only show the one email address that you have signed in with your phone at the moment. So now once this little box appear, guys, you will be able to see multiple emails if you have multiple email accounts signed into your phone, or you'll only see the one email account. But if you look towards the bottom, you will see the options that says add another account, and it will also say manage accounts on this device. You want to tap on manage accounts on this device, and from there, you will be greeted with the list of all of those email address and accounts that you have on your device. If you have one, then it will only show the one. Now, once you find the emailed account that you want to remove, all you have to do is just tap on that. And I'm going to simply tap on one here. And from here, you will be able to see the option that says remove account. So you will see sync account, Google account, as well as you will be able to see the button that says remove account. So all you have to do is just tap on that and you will get a next pop-up that says you really want to remove the account. All you have to do, just simply go ahead and tap on remove account, and that's all there is to it. And that's how you can easily go ahead and remove a Google account from your Android device.